I get my charger, please?
Here you go. Oh, what the? You like Barbie. Ew, Barbie gone wrong.
What's wrong?
You look like Barbie gone wrong. Look like you spent too long at the tanning salon.
Really?
With a face mask on.
I thought I looked cute.
You don't look cute. You're like Miss Potato gone wrong.
Everything about me popping, got face, I got body, you name it, I got it. Cocky as you know I'm conceited, yo, wanna be me, yo, want eat it. Cocky as everything about me popping, got face, I got body, you name it, I got it. Cocky as your opinion, I hustle, I get it, I get it, I get it. I am not seeking approval, I'm number one, I tell what to.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back my beautiful wilds. I just want to say, besides from the beginning of the video, I just wanted to let you guys know that this video is very important to all the girls and all the boys that wear makeup in high school. I will say that I was one of those people that wore the makeup and all that stuff in high school, and I definitely looked a little bit crazy, but I just want to say that we are in this together. So I'm gonna coming to you guys here live right now in my filming area to let you guys know that I'm gonna be showing you guys a cute makeup tutorial look for back to school. It is cute, fresh, flirty, and very like just overall vibey. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, keep on watching guys, and just let me know what you guys think about it, okay? Alright, so I already started washing my face. One thing that is very important when you go back to school for all my wilds out there is definitely your skincare. So make sure you guys are not neglecting your skin. I definitely recommend Aveeno because Aveeno is very like organic. Clean and Clear was my stuff back in high school, but I definitely learned my lesson. Clean and Clear doesn't really work for me at all. Like I've used Clean and Clear in all the products. Not trying to shame Clean and Clear, but it's just not for me. It's probably for different types of people. I definitely switched to Aveeno of last year, and I feel like it's made a huge difference on my skin. I'm definitely right now using their Clear Improvement Moisturizer, and it's definitely made my skin look a lot better. Definitely I washed my face already. Everything is moisturized, prepped, and primed. So we're gonna start off with my brows. And when I do my brows, you guys, I don't want you guys to go too crazy on your brows. I mean, you can do your brows however you want to, but since this is a back to school makeup tutorial for boys and girls, I want it to be very versatile, like a versatile brow. So I definitely want you guys to start with the natural base and just start creating brow hairs like so. So you definitely want to imitate the whole natural brow arch. And if you guys make a mistake, you see that little dark spot that I just made just now, you can get a spoolie like so. I have this is from my leftover NYX micro brow pencil, but this is the brow pencil that I was talking about, you guys. This is the NYX brow pencil, micro brow pencil in the shade, I think taupe, or no, it is in black. Yeah, this one's in black, but I usually use Noir or Espresso or taupe. But you just want to get your spoolie like this and just start brushing out the shade so it's not too dark and intense. If you guys want to know what I'm using on my brows right now, since I can't go to the store unfortunately because it's raining outside and it is very crazy today and I don't want to go anywhere, I'm using the shade T on my brows because it's dark, but it's definitely light. It's not too dark or too light, but this is a really good palette that I've been using a lot. And honestly, don't ever think, like, if you're doing makeup, don't take it too seriously. Like, you don't have to have all the fanciest things in the world to make a really good makeup look. Just have a few brushes. You need a foundation brush if you really like to use foundation brushes. You know, have a really good eyeshadow, maybe 3 or 4 eyeshadow brushes that you can reuse each time. A highlighting brush, And then I definitely a liner brush, because if you want to create that natural, like without even doing an eyeliner, you can literally create a liner out of any black shadow. I'm back, and this is how your brows should look like. It is not perfect yet, so do not judge me, but this is definitely how I think I want my brows, like the color shade should look like. Back in high school, this is definitely how I would do my brows, and they're looking pretty snatched. The next step we're gonna be doing right now, which is very important, and for all the girls out there and guys who want to get their brows snatched, this is not hard and this is not that complicated, but I'm gonna be going in with the NYX HD concealer in the shade CW10, and we're gonna start cutting these brows right now. Alright, your brows should look snatched just like this. Hopefully you guys got to this step. And I just want to do a little quick side note for all you guys out there doing your makeup. It takes time and it takes patience and it takes a lot of diligent vibes, you know? So don't be stressed out when you're doing your eyebrows in the morning or anytime that you're practicing your brows. You will get better. Just keep practicing and you'll reach this status or this step. Right now, I'm gonna be going in with the James Charles palette and we're gonna be creating a cute makeup look for you guys for back to school. So I'm gonna be doing like a simple makeup look for you guys. I don't want it to be too crazy because I don't want you guys to be clocked at school or made fun of, or just, I don't want nothing bad to happen to you guys, because you guys, it's hard out there. But I mean, if you are open to crazy makeup looks at school, all props goes to you, because you are a strong person that can literally not care what others think. We're gonna be going in with Punch Me on the crease, and we're gonna create a really soft little cut on the crease. We're defining the crease, basically. And a really good cool tip or a little trick that I learned like last year, inspired by Daisy Marquez on YouTube. You take the brush with your shade and you're gonna go in with the shade and you're gonna tap on your eye like this, like so. This is so cool, especially if you're on a rush or you're on the go and you need that shade blended out quickly as possible. You just go in and you start tapping. Alright, the next step we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking a little fluffy brush from Equal Tools, and this one is the Define Crease one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be going in with a few shimmer shades. I think I'm going to be going in with Ring Light on my face. And this is what Ring Light looks like. And what we're going to do next is we're going to take Ring Light and we're going to start packing that on the side of our eye like this. Alright, and then we're going to flip the brush around on this side where it doesn't have the most product, and we're just going to blend that together. That's the completed look. And what I'm going to do also is I'm going to be going in with this little accent brush, and I'm going to be going in with Ring Light, the same shade Ring Light, and I'm going to be going in with Face. They're both together like this, and I'm going to put both shades on the top of my brow arch. Alright, and the next step, the last step we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking 10% off, which is this very dark but not too crazy eyeshadow shade on the bottom lash line. Alright, I'm going to be going in with my mascara. I want to give a few recommendations to you guys while you're in high school or even middle school if you're even doing makeup in middle school. I usually go in with a Better Than Sex, and I'm going to be going in with a Better Than Sex mascara right now. This one is my all-time holy grail. I love this mascara so much. Like, it's just the best mascara I've ever came across. Also, if you're on a budget, for the girls and boys that are on a budget and cannot always buy the Better Than Sex mascara, I definitely do recommend the voluminous original mascara from L'Oreal. This is a really good mascara. I definitely recommend it. Alright, now I just got done with applying my mascara to both bottom and top. Now we're going to start with my face. And what I want you guys to do in high school, which I typically didn't really do a lot, I only just put on foundation and then I just walked out the house. But I want you guys to invest in really good stuff, or even, you know, use these products that I'm using in the video. But we're going to start off with concealing our face. Alright, now that my skin is all concealed, I'm going to be going in with 3 foundations. And I know you guys are like, 3 freaking foundations? Yes, baby girl, we're going to look right for school. And if you have acne, go to a dermatologist, baby girl, and figure some things out, okay? Because we're going to be going in with this full coverage, okay, sis? Alright, now that I put my foundation on, I'm going to be going in with some powder. Now we're going to add a little bit more dimension back to the face, and I'm going to be going in with a contour palette from e.l.f. I just set setting powder underneath my contour, and I just finished my contour. Just want to show you guys a really cool trick that I learned while trying to do my nose contour lately. Okay, I'm going in with my little defined little crease thing, and we're going to go in on the nose. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to map out my nose contour. And you also want to connect it to the part of your brow. And what I like to do is I like to take the shade for the tip of my nose, and I like to put a lot of shading down here so that it shortens my nose. Alright, now I blended out my contour on my nose, and I set my nose with powder, and this is how the nose contour should look. Now I'm going to dust it off. And now the last step we're going to be doing, which is highlight. I'm going to be going in with the 2 highlighting shades, Face and Ring Light. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is a look. Oh my god, this looks so cute. You guys see? Oh my gosh, I'm literally looking in the camera. That is just... bitch. If I look like this in high school now, I would die. I'd freaking die. Alright, I already applied all my highlight, and now I'm going to be applying my eyebrow gel, and this look should be almost completed, but I've been recently using this Control Freak by NYX, and it is the best, not the best, but like it is one of the few best brow gels that I've been using recently. I like to take the little gel on the tip and just put it all over the brow. I just like to really coat the brows. Alright, now that I applied my brow gel, this should complete the makeup tutorial. But like I was saying, you guys, this is not the completed look. If you guys really want to up the makeup look, keep on watching. Right now we're going to be applying falsies to one up this eyeshadow look. Okay, I'm going to be going in with these Allure lashes. Oh, these ones, I'm going to be applying them. Not actually applying them, but I'm going to map out where I want to cut off the excess. And this is definitely one thing that I did not do in the past. And I think I'm going to take off a little bit on this side. You definitely want to cut these lashes or any other lash to your eye range. You do not want to just apply the lash to your eye just directly. Okay, I'm going to be a barbarian real quick, and we're going to apply these lashes with my fingers, but I'm going to take the lash just like so, and we're going to put it a little bit off in the middle and not too far from the end. And what I like to do is I like to go like this throughout the whole lash band just to make sure that it's secure. Alright, this is the completed makeup look with lashes. It actually makes a huge difference when you apply lashes, which is such the most needed necessity in my makeup routine. I swear when I put lashes on, I turn into a different person. Do not talk to me, just kidding. But this makeup tutorial is for every day. Like, you want to look cute, you want to look cute for the boys, or you just want to look cute in general. We don't need a man in 2019. If you do, baby girl, then you do. But us independent women, we do not need a man. But if you need a man, you need a man. But like I was saying, this makeup tutorial is so cute. I recommend it for anyone who just wants to look really cute on a budget, or any of these products in here that you want to see or are wanting to be recommended are definitely much recommended. Alright, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this funny, crazy, just over the top back to school makeup tutorial. And I just want to say, before you guys go back to school, or even if you guys are in school now, remember to be yourself, drink water, study and focus on your work and what's important in life. And also remember to remain humble in every situation that you come across, and to remember to also be yourself, like I said, time and time again. Alright, my wilds, thank you guys for watching this video. Take care of yourself. I love you guys so much, and have a good day. Bye.